If you find yourself locked out of your Yahoo Mail account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Help Room. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Help page by entering the URL in your browser. This tool will assist you in recovering your account by verifying your identity. Step 2. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Yahoo account. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Choose a recovery option. Yahoo will present you with recovery options such as sending a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to receive the code. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the provided field on the Yahoo page. This step verifies your identity and allows you to move forward. Step 5. Create new login credentials. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create new login credentials. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the process. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your Yahoo Mail account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for further assistance.